Here's a straightforward way to achieve and visualize an accurate projectile trajectory. I have here a grenade blueprint, nothing too fancy, just a mesh and projectile movement component, setting the speed and destroying it after a few seconds. Then here, in the character, two important components to mention, a spline and an arrow. Also two inputs. One spawns the actual grenade, the other draws the trajectory, and here's where most of the logic happens. Predict projectile path by trace channel is a node that we can use for achieving our goal. Be mindful when tweaking the max sim time and sim frequency, since they can spike performance fast. Otherwise, after we run the simulation, loop through all of the points, create a spline on those points, as well as assign a spline mesh component to each, and then build segments for each part. For the spline mesh, I'm using a copy of an engine material, and for the mesh, just a basic small cylinder made in the modeling mode in Unreal. Now trying it again, the path is drawn and the projectile follows suit. Also, holding the aim button increases the range of the trajectory. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.